If Sleeping Tool or Print Screen is not working in your Windows 11, try this method. When I try to use Snipping Tool, this error message appears. To fix this problem, open the Windows settings. To open Windows settings, right-click on the Start menu. From these options, click Settings. In this settings window, from the left pane, click Apps. Now, on the right side, click Installed Apps. Now, from this list of installed apps, locate Snipping Tool. Just type in this search box Snipping to find the Snipping Tool app. Okay, it's here. Here, click on these three dots towards this app. From these options, click Advanced Options. In this window, move down and locate for the title Reset. Now click the first option here, Repair. Please wait until this repairing will be completed. Once it is over, check if your problem is solved. If the problem still exists, click on Reset here. Confirm by clicking Reset on this pop-up message. Wait until the resetting process will be completed. OK. The tool has been resetted now. By this way, you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video by itech Tips. Please let us know your experience by commenting below. Thank you.